how to use Claude Code with anti-gravity. So you can do it all directly inside anti-gravity since you can just install it as an extension. So go ahead to your extensions and then you can install it. So it's going to be in the marketplace, available somewhat for free. So search for Claude Code and then it should just appear. You should install the first one and avoid the search for Claude since for some reason it's taking quite some time. But here it is. Just go ahead and press on install. So trust the publisher and install, of course. Make sure it's on auto update so you avoid some other effort stuff. But once it's installed, make sure it is already enabled, and then what you're going to do now is it's set. It is going to be here in the Claude Code in the top right. You can open that up as your agent, or maybe, but if you want to log in, you could choose these options. So you could use your Cloud.ai subscription, an Anthropic console, or you could use a Bedrock, Foundry, or Vertex. But you could also try running the Claude in your terminal like this, similar to different kinds of tools like anti-gravity. But then after you do all that, it's pretty much gonna be somewhat automated and, let's say, collaborative in a way. So anti-gravity handles planning and then the task making in a way, and then while Claude Code will execute the actual coding in real time. So after you give a high level instruction, like maybe building a feature or fixing a bug, anti-gravity will break it into steps, assign tasks, and triggers Claude Code to generate or edit or debug code directly inside your project environment. At that point, you're mostly just supervising and reviewing outputs, approving your changes, and refining instructions while the system continuously loops between planning and execution. So it will become much more efficient. It will turn your development process somewhat into a more AI driven procedure instead of manual step by step coding. But that is pretty much how the Cloud Code integration works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.